Hi guys, today we're unboxing the Nextbase 222X dashcam. It comes complete with instructions and a power cable which plugs into your cigarette lighter socket, a holder for the camera. This is your rear camera. We've got some wipes and more cables, and then sticky pads and the tool to help you hide wires. And then we've got the camera itself, which is a really nice, compact, small size. Easily fits into your pocket when you're not using it. We've got the rear camera here, which slots into the main camera. And the holder, once you apply it to the windscreen, attaches to the camera. Sorry, the camera attaches to the holder. One thing you need to know, you do need to get a micro SD card because it doesn't come as part of the package. So I definitely recommend you get one with lots of memory. The 128 gig has been great for me. Definitely something if you plan on using it a lot and keeping all your recordings. The SD card that I've been using has been fantastic. It's not let me down even once. I will link that in the description below for anyone interested. So we're just setting up the date and time on the camera, which is a very important part of it, so I wouldn't skip this step. If you'd like to see the rest of the video where I installed and wired the dash cam in my car, then please click the link at the top of the video, which should be at the top right of this video.